We made it here. We are here at Sunshine Key Resort in Big Pine Key. We are so excited to be here. And this RV resort is amazing. We are ready for a super good time. We have the perfect spot. We are ready to be free. Sunshine Key RV Resort and Marina is hands down one of our favorite campgrounds. They have a lot of really cool spots. They have waterfront, standard, or marina spots, and they're flat gravel sites that are really well maintained. Each site has water, electric, cable, and sewer, and a picnic table. So if you don't have an RV, you can rent these tiny houses. Tiny houses, they are so cute, and they look like little beach houses. You can also rent RVs. They have those on site as well. So if you don't want to drive that far with an RV, but you want that camping experience, you can rent those as well. We go to the Keys for the beach, and Sunshine Key Resort has its own private beach, which is beautiful. You even have access to a gazebo. It's right in front of the bridge. It's just absolutely beautiful. Head on over to the outdoor activity area where you can play some basketball, beach volleyball, or take your kids over to the playground if you have kids. And it's covered, which is wonderful because it does get pretty hot in the Keys. If you need a break from the sand, they offer a beautiful resort-style pool. Do you like bingo or crafts or things of that nature? Well, the resort offers activities, different activities every week. Outside the clubhouse, there are games set up for you to use, and the clubhouse also has access to internet, which is a downside. The internet is not so great, but that could be a bonus as well. They also have tennis and pickleball courts, and I love pickleball. If you forgot your book, no worries. They have a book exchange. Eric enjoyed that.
There's some awesome stuff here at Sunshine Key. The marina, the fishing area on the pier, you can actually swim. It's just beautiful. There's so many different things, the huge tarpon that are swimming around, all the different birds. So really a great place to relax and just unwind and let the everyday cares just kind of fall off you, and really just gives you time to enjoy. Gives you time to be free.
If you have a boat or want to rent a boat, the marina is the place to be. You can do some fishing over on that side of the campground off of the pier. You can also watch the sunset off of the pier. You can swim there as well. Do some snorkeling. There is so much to do at Sunshine Key Resort. I love having the perfect site, and Sunshine Key Resort did not disappoint. We had a fabulous site right on the water and had an absolute wonderful time. So as you can probably tell, I would recommend Sunshine Key RV Resort and Marina 100%. If you get a chance, head on down and enjoy a fun-filled tropical vacation. Oh, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.